Double exposures are one of my favorite photo edits to make. That's why I'm so excited to share our brand new course with you, Mastering Double Exposures. This course is completely free and will teach you everything you need to know to make this beautiful effect. Double exposures allow you to creatively combine two images. Throughout the 4 course projects, you'll learn powerful skills that you can use to make double exposures all on your own. You'll even learn how to find the perfect images to use for your double exposures. Picking images can be tricky because not every photo blends perfectly together. However, after this course, you'll know exactly which images fit perfectly together. This free course is my gift to you. I'm so excited for you to start on your double exposure journey. Can't wait to see you in the course.